Assalamualaikum. Today we will continue our lesson about Excel. Okay. Alright, so we have this table last week. Okay, so now we need to add another column. Just type status. Okay, and then we click at the middle line and the center text. Okay, and then we highlight. Okay, and then go to borders and click at all borders. Okay, and for the title, we use tick box border. Okay. Okay, next, you have to type another table, okay, namely table grade. Okay, just use this table. Okay, and then we have another column for frequency. Okay, the function of this table grade is for determine the grade of the student. Okay, so for example, Ahmad Amin, okay, the total marks is 82.67, so should be the grade is A. Okay, so this is the function for the table grade. Okay, so what we have to do, okay, first of all, okay, we need to use VLOOKUP. Okay, first click at the first grade for the student. Okay, and go to FX and okay, change to all and find VLOOKUP. Okay, so V okay, this one VLOOKUP, click and click OK. Okay, and then here we have the function argument. Okay, so the first one is lookup value. Okay, so for lookup value, just click the total marks for the first student, 82.67. Okay, and then click at the table array. So table array, you need to highlight, okay, below the blue color. Okay, so we have 3 columns here. Okay, so this is column 1, column 2, and column 3. Okay, and then here, okay, we have column index number. So column index number here means we need to put column 2 because we want the grade. Okay, A plus to F. So just type number 2. Okay, and then for the range lookup, okay, for range lookup, you have to click from the first student until the last student. Okay, now we can see the grade is A, and then just click OK. Okay, so and for the status, okay, so status here means is the either the status is weak, average, good, or excellent. All right, okay. All right, so what we have to do, we just use the same way, okay, which is our lookup. Okay, click at the first person and go to FX. Okay, we just use most recently used. Okay, so here we have VLOOKUP. Okay, just click at VLOOKUP, and the first lookup value is the 82.67. Okay, and the table array, okay, same table, just highlight, okay, below the blue color. Okay, alright, so column index number, now we use column 3 because we want to know the status. Okay, just now type 3, and for the range lookup, okay, we will use, okay, we will highlight the first person, okay, until the last person. Okay, now the status is excellent. Just click OK. Alright, so okay, we adjust, okay, middle line and the align center. Okay, so now we can use the simple way as usual. Okay, just highlight the both column. Okay, okay, at the below, okay, at the edge of the box. Okay, still remember I told you last week. Okay, just click and drag. Okay, so what happened with the NA here? So with the NA here, you need to do the same way again. Alright, because the cell cannot read for this. Okay, so go to the same way, VLOOKUP. Okay, click at the 78.33 table array. Highlight here. Okay, column number is 2. And the range lookup, okay, from the first until the last student. Click OK. Okay, next. Okay, fx VLOOKUP. Okay, the lookup value, table array. Okay, and then the column number is 3. And the range lookup. Okay, and then click OK. So just drag. Okay, so we have another one. Just delete and do the same way. Okay. Alright. Okay, column number is 2. Range lookup. Okay, and then click OK. And another one. Column index number is 3. Then click OK. So now we have complete. Okay, the grade and the status of the student. Okay. Okay, now how about we want to find the frequency. Okay, actually this frequency we want to know how many students get F grade, D grade, A grade, and so on. Okay, so what we have to do, okay, just click at the first frequency. Okay, go to fx again, and now we need to find count if. Okay, so go to all. Okay, and then find count if, COUNT-IF here. Okay, this one, count if, and then click. Okay, so the range, okay, so the range we need to highlight the grade. Okay, and then the criteria, so we want to find the first grade is F, then just type F. Okay, so the answer is 0 because nobody get F here. Okay, and then go to D. Okay, so click fx. Okay, and then go to most recently used. We have count if, and just highlight the grade, and then type D. So also we have D, grade is 0. Okay, so you need to complete until the A plus grade. Okay, now we want to find grade B, the frequency of grade B. So we need to check how many students is in grade B. Okay. So grade B. Okay, and then just click OK. So we can see the frequency is 4. Okay, now we need to find for B plus. Okay. Okay, so we have 4 also. And then A minus. A minus also 4. And then A Okay, A6 and A plus. Okay, so is A plus is 1. Okay, so the total student for this class is 19. Should be the answer for this frequency also is 19. So what we have to do, just click sum. Okay, fx sum and just highlight. Okay, and then just click OK. So the total is 19. So the number is correct. Okay, now we want to create graph. Okay, so what we have to do, okay, we need to highlight this table. Okay, this table. Okay, no need the column 1, column 2 and column 3 and 19. Okay, after you highlight, okay, go to insert tab. Okay, and then go to chart. Okay, so we can choose the pattern of the chart we want. Okay, so I'm using this pattern column and choose for 3D column. Okay, so we can see here, okay, the chart or the graph. Okay, so we can adjust the chart. Okay, for example, okay, we can click. Okay, we can right click. Okay, go to change chart type. Okay, so for change chart type, we can choose the new templates. Okay, or we can manage the templates. Okay, so okay, we also can change the chart title. Okay, so for example, okay, I want to change this to result of TTS 2233 ITSA. Okay, and then the okay, I want to put the data labels. Okay, for the chart. Okay, just right click at the bar chart here. Okay, and then go to add data labels. Okay, so we can see here, we know the frequency of the grid here. Okay, okay, then we also can change the color if we want. Okay, we can choose from here, or we can put our own color. Okay, so for example here I'm using this green color, or anything you need to explore. Okay, right, then okay. If we click at the format chart area, for example, okay, so here we can change the color. Okay, for example, I want to fill the bar with the pattern fill, for example. So I click at the pattern fill and I choose the pattern that I want. Okay, okay, so this one, okay, for background. Okay, so you need to explore. Alright, okay, then no fill. Okay, this one is for border color. Okay, border style. Okay, this one is for shadow. Okay, so you can try to find the different. Okay, alright. Okay, so we have our frequency. Sorry, we have our graph here. And what happened if I want to put another title here? Okay, this one is axis. Okay, just click at the axis. Okay. Okay, so okay, we can change the number based on the category. Okay, if suitable. Okay, this one is for fill. Okay, for line color, line style, shadow, 3D format, and also the alignment. Okay, so I want to find the how I want to create the title. Okay, so for the title, okay, okay, never mind. Okay, it's supposed to be if you use the new version of Excel, you can find the way how to put the title for the access. Okay, for the axis. Okay, oh here, okay. If you want to change, okay, the layout, so what we have to do, we can choose here. Okay, this is the chart layout. Okay, okay, so this is the example. Alright. Okay. Okay, so we can choose what we want. Okay, the suitable one. Okay, alright. Okay, I need the title. Okay, need to change the title. Okay. Alright, okay. This one, how about this one? Okay, so, okay, rename the title again. Result of TTS 2233 ITSA. Okay, and then I want to change the axis title. Okay, so should be this one is frequency. Okay, frequency, and this one should be grid. Okay, change to grid. Okay, alright, and I want to put the data labels. Okay, so I also can make it my graph bigger, so just drag. Okay, so this is for graph, and now I want to put for minimum, maximum, and average. Okay, so I want to find the minimum marks for the assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, for 100%, 40%, and so on. Okay, so what we have to do, okay, just click at the FX, okay, and then go to all, and this time we need to find min. Okay, min stands for minimum, M, yeah. Okay, min, okay, this one MIN. Okay, so just click. Okay, and highlight, okay, the marks of assignment 1. Okay, so now we have 14 is the minimum marks for assignment 1. Okay, and for maximum, okay, same way. Okay, find maximum, MAX, max. Okay, right. Okay, this one, MAX, and just click OK and highlight the marks. Okay, alright, and then click OK. So the maximum now, maximum marks for assignment 1 is 20. And how about the average? So average we find, okay, we need to find average. This one, yeah, AVERAGE, and then just click OK and highlight. Okay, so the average is 17.6315789.5. Okay, and then change or decrease the decimal places to 2 decimal only. Alright, so now Okay, we put the border. Okay, until here. Okay, then we can highlight these three and just drag for next column. Okay, for the minimum, maximum and average for the next column. And sorry, okay, then this one we decrease the decimal places. Okay, and this one. Okay, so we have the complete, okay, the complete table here with the graph, okay, and then with the grade, frequency and so on. Okay, alright, okay, that's all for today. Alright, thank you.